Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. And as in my previous videos I have told you how to draw a running pose from 3/4 and somewhat like side pose also. In this video I'll show you how to draw a running pose from front. As you can see, I have done 3 character running towards front, so I'll explain you the details of it. There are some construction which I will explain you. This is the output what I have shown you here, but I'll tell you how to draw this one because this is little complicated and it is not that much easy as 3/4. So without much ado, let's get started. So here few things what we need to keep in mind are, like, if the right hand is coming front, then the right leg should go back. As in this, I have made this one. This one is right hand and right leg is going back side. Okay, and the left, the opposite side will be front and the opposite side is going back, so it will be cross. Okay, suppose I'll draw a figure here, a rough cartoon one. Okay, this is a rough figure, it's not visible clearly it seems. I'll make it little darker. So we'll make this character in the running pose. Okay, so what we'll do in the next pose, he'll be running. So for running, I'll plan like which leg should be coming towards camera, towards front. So I'll decide for this leg. Okay, and this leg will be back. Okay, so is the right leg, this is the right side of the character, is coming front towards camera, left hand will come front. So first I'll draw the fist, then the arm. Okay, likewise the leg opposite is the left leg, so I'll draw the hand right, this one. So as you can see, this was a normal pose, normal standing pose, but here I have made this character in the running pose. But this is not that much strong running pose. So what I'll do, I'll enhance it to a good running pose. So what I'll do again, in this figure you can see the neck is visible here. Over here it is the neck only. Okay, so here it will be there, but little less than this, and it will go little up. Okay, so likewise I'll do this time this hand. Okay, one important thing I need to tell you is that whenever a character is running, both the shoulder will not in the straight line, it will be up and down. Like if the front hand is coming towards camera or towards front, then it will be lower as compared to the hand going to the back side. So I am planning to do the right hand towards camera, so I'll do the shoulder little down than the left one. Okay, so I'll do the fist over here. And this time the leg will also differ. Okay, so here also it is not that much different as compared to the second pose, but here what I have changed is the hands and the legs, but we need to make a stronger pose, so here we'll try for it. To do the stronger pose, what you will do, you make a head over here, then this one, then I'll do one thing, I'll hide the neck and I'll bring the eye line little down and the center line will be as it is. And now what I'll do, see, all the curves will be like this, okay? And now again I'll do the fist, the hand, this one is coming front, means it will be back. So now you can see it is stronger than the remaining three characters. Why? Because this one I tilted towards the front. The head is little towards front as compared to this, because this is in the straight line and the body line is also like this. But here in this case it is more like this curve, and you can see the legs also, it is like this. And it should go like this. So I'll do here to make you understand clearly what is the difference between this normal pose and the stronger pose. I'll make another one also. So before going to the pose, I'll tell you the different parts how to deal with, like the hands, the shoulders, the body. First come to the body. Here the body is, it should be little curvy, like all the lines should be like this. If you'll go for solid figure, suppose this is a cuboid or some box type thing, then it would be a little like this. This is not the straight line, let me tell you this, because whenever this hand is, the right hand is coming towards front, then this line will change the center line from here to here. So it should be like this. Okay, so the center line is like this. Okay, this is the side, little side, you can see the side from here. So here what I was going to tell you is that keep in mind while you draw the body, should be tilted from top, first thing. Okay, the next thing is here the head should be here, so that it will give the illusion the head part is coming towards camera, little front, and the neck is under it. Shoulder here. So let's go to the next page and I'll explain you in more detail. So this is the cartoon character I have drawn, but here also if you can observe, this is again straight line. See, this is the straight line and all the lines here are straight only. So it is not giving that much feel like it's running that much fastly or speedily. So we'll do, as I have told you, little curve should be there. We'll do that one. Okay, and more important is that the shoulder. Okay, here you can see the shoulder is up. That means it is okay, it is not running that much fast, so we'll go for it. And here what I'll do the eye line down. Okay, this is the center line. And now I'll go for the body, and here at the beginning stage only I'll plan where I should keep the shoulder. See, while planning the running pose or any other pose, you need to do in rough first, and you need to plan the pose clearly in the rough stage itself. After then only you have to do the dark line. So keep this also in your mind. Okay, while doing the back hand, the hand which is going back side, it should be little smaller as compared to the hand coming towards front. Okay, because this will give you the illusion that this is coming towards camera and this is going back. So keep in mind that this should be bigger than this. Here also you need to understand, like this one is coming front, so the line here will go like this, so it will also give you the illusion that this leg is towards front. So we'll do more poses on this running, so let's see how I'm doing. So here are few characters I have drawn in the running pose towards front. For now, we'll note down the points by which you can make a good running pose. So one point, the first and foremost, is the shoulder. Suppose if the right hand is going front, then it should be in the down part as compared to the hand going to the back, that is the left one. Okay. And the center line should not be in the center, it should be little tilted, or you can change the line from here to here. The head, if you want to make it little more faster running pose, then it should be here. Okay. Now the leg. Legs will be simple like this. Okay, so you can make the changes and see whether it is looking good or not. So it depends on your drawing and your choice. Like if I'll do this leg here, see, this also is a running pose, and if you want to change it from here to here also, it is also a running pose. So you need to decide whether you need to keep the leg in more wider difference between two legs, or you want to make it closer. It totally depends on you and how your character is. So this is the rough I have made for you, that you need to draw the rough instead of doing the cleanup drawing before making your final character, so that it will be easy for you to determine whether this pose is going to work or not. So always try to do the rough, or you can do one more thing. Suppose this is the head part, and now I'll do the body. shoulder here and here, the pelvis will be like this. So if I plan, as I'm planning here, the right hand will be front, so I'll do the hand here, and this one will be here, and this leg will be little like this. It will not go wide, it will be little like this. So if you are not satisfied with this, then you can make some changes, like you can make this leg here or this one here. It's up to you, and you can make the necessary changes in your drawing. And yeah, likewise I have also told you in the beginning that these are the characters which I have drawn following all these steps. Like if you can see here, this is the fat guy and he's running wearing some jogging suit. Here the hands, the left hand is going backside, so the arc are like this. Okay, and sorry, this one will be like this. All the arc will be like this. Here in this case the hand is coming front, so the lines will be like this. Okay, this leg also going backside, so again the leg, if I'll tell you, all the lines will be like this. So try to make the curves in such a way that it will look like this leg is going backside. See what I did, this line I kept here, so it will give you the illusion that this leg is going backside. Okay, here in this case it should not be here though, it will be like this. So again it will also give you the illusion that this leg is coming towards camera. Same in the case here as this, but the only difference is the right leg is coming front, and here in this case the left leg is coming front. So yeah, follow these rules and try to make some running poses, the front running poses, and check if you can draw or not. I saw that many people have issue in the foot, how to draw. Let me tell you this, if you are drawing like this, it is good. See, I hope it is visible, this part. So this is the sole area, the down area, the bottom area, but you need to show little top area as well, because it will give you the illusion that it is in the running pose. But if you'll do only the sole, see, if I'll do like this and I'll join the like this, it will not give you that much feel as this will. So try to show the top area. So try, and if you want you can send me your drawings in rkart83@gmail.com, and I'll review all your drawings and let you know your problems where you are having, and I'll explain in my videos. You can say that video or correction video for the front running pose, I'll post that if I'll get enough drawings. So that's it for now, and enjoy drawing and keep watching my videos. If you have come for the first time, then please subscribe it, and don't forget to hit the bell button so that you will get the notification whenever I'll upload any new videos. If you like this video, please hit a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. So thanks and have a good day. Bye bye.